Alex. Audio Tech review. It's like, nah, Audio Tech. Let's get this unboxed. My new ZZA speaker. And it's IPX5 waterproof. And it's LED colors. Something there. It comes with two microphones and a remote. The back says the same. The sides. It has 100 watts of power, but then right here it says 150 watts. I'm like confused right now. Charging time up to 7 hours. Well, I got a quick charger, so I know it'll take less than 7 hours. What else? It says it has great bass. So anyway, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so as soon as we open it, I'm gonna take this off the top. On the top here, we got the microphones. You guys can see here, the microphones. We got the straps, in case you guys want to use the straps. We have the remote controller, just in case you want to use the remote controller. And we got the USB type A to type C, because this is a power bank to charge up your devices. And the aux cables, just in case you got an old school phone that doesn't support Bluetooth. So that basically shoots down the breakdown of them, what comes included. And then right here, we got the speaker itself. And damn, did this box come broken. Look at this. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. This box is actually talking to me. Jesus Christ. Definitely gotta check this speaker out to the fullest. So let me adjust the camera so you guys can see it now. The speaker. Okay, there we go. Recording in 4K, guys. The speaker is heavy. I will say that it is heavy. Here goes the flap in the back. We got the USB type A for reverse wireless charging. Reverse charging. That's why it has this. We got the micro SD slot, USB type C to charge it. The aux cable, and then we got the microphone. Little thing right there. So of course, in order for this to be waterproof, this has got to be sealed up. In the back, it has this metal thing, so I'm guessing the capacitive, there's more subwoofers, more speakers in the back. That's crazy, because usually if the capacitive radiators are back there, it won't show them here, but I guess. Let me let the dog out, guys. I'm sorry about this. Chrissy, now you stay out the room. I'm making a video, bro. Go. Sometimes my dog wants to be in the room. Sometimes he doesn't. So let's get this thing powered up. Oh, and here goes the buttons. You can hardly see them because they're dark black. Power button, equalizer button, speaker button, play, minus, well, up and down. And then on the very top, we got some LE button, minus, up and down. I guess that's for the microphones. So let's get this thing powered up. Hope it has some battery. Go. Let's sync it to my iPhone 15 Pro, and let's get this show on the road, guys. This show on the road. All right, let me go here. So under Bluetooth, it's gonna come out as ZZA K8. ZZA K8. There you go. I like showing you guys, so that way you can be like, whoa, how come, you know, I didn't see the name of the pairing. So there you go. So let's play some non-copyrighted music from YouTube. Non-copyrighted music. Okay, so you could use this as a speakerphone as well. You could talk through the speaker. That's what's up. My favorite song. Oh, and it has LED lights on the top. Forgot to say that. Right now, this is not even halfway. nice speaker. I always forget to say this. The affiliate link from Amazon will be pinned down below. Right now, the speaker is on sale. It's $65. Plus, you get like another 20% off. So after everything was said and done, I paid $42.45, but that's because I'm an Amazon Prime member. If I wasn't an Amazon Prime member, you got to add that $7 of shipping. So if you're not an Amazon Prime member, you're going to pay that $7 of shipping, but it's still worth it. Great speaker, heavy. You guys seen the bass on it. I can imagine how much louder it sounds on non-copyrighted music. On copyrighted music. This was non-copyrighted music, so I could imagine how loud it sounds. And for some reason, I don't know. I know that's the equalizer. I don't know which one is I know that says microphone. I don't see a light button. I do not see a light button. I wish they would have had a light button. I don't know if you mess with the power button and you get different light shows. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try. No, it's definitely not the light button. Let's see this button, because sometimes they use other buttons for other things. The microphone button, nope. So yeah, I don't know how to mess with the lights, unless you gotta use the controller. You probably have to use the controller to mess with the lights. But yeah, guys, a quick unboxing for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Great speaker. I recommend it. It's really, really loud. It says 100 watts. I bet it does push that 100 watts. I thought there was extra speakers in the back, but this is just for like, I don't know, for show. They wanted to put this metal like thing back here, but you can't see nothing. So that's how I knew there was nothing back here. But it looks nice. You know, it's heavy. You know, it's built like a tank. It doesn't feel cheap. It's heavy and it's futuristic. To me, that's why I liked about this. I liked about the speaker. Sorry, guys. I liked about the speakers that it looks very futuristic. It looks like something from Back to the Future, to be completely honest. Something that should have been in the Back to the Future movie. The way they made the lights look on the top. And, you know, the whole design of the speaker itself is just futuristic. So I like it a lot, guys. So I highly recommend it. Like I said, and this thing weighs at least 6 to 7 pounds. And I'm not even joking with you guys. It is a heavy speaker. It's not going to be light. So, you know, to travel, I would say use the strap. That's why it comes with the strap. It is a karaoke speaker, so that's why I'm pretty sure it's on the heavy side and it's so loud. But I didn't buy it for karaoke aesthetics. I bought it because I like the design of the speaker. I'm not gonna be using it for karaoke. I got so many other speakers that could do karaoke, and I'm not using them for that purpose. So I'm not gonna use this one, even though it brung the microphones. But yeah, guys, if you guys want a good quality karaoke speaker that's really affordable, this one would be the one. And of course, let me show you guys it brings 2 microphones right there, as you guys can see, the 2 microphones. It brings the controller, the aux cable, the USB type A to USB type C to charge your phone, and then the straps. So yeah, guys, it brings everything you need for it to, you know, conduct itself like a karaoke speaker. But other than that, that's not what I'm going to use it for. If you guys want to use it for that, in the comment section down below, you will be able to purchase this speaker. Like I said, it's at a discount price. You get an extra 20% off of the 65, so you pay like 40 something, depending on your state tax, of course. I live in the state of New Jersey, so my taxes are not that much. So yeah, guys, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. You all ready? And thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys. And like I said, it's a great speaker. So get yourself one and thank me later.